Sonia hummed a happy tune as she rollerbladed down the sun-dappled streets of Minneapolis. The wind whipped her braids, and the Mississippi River sparkled nearby. Sonia loved her city, from the mighty stone arch bridge to the bustling booths at the Midtown Global Market. But most of all, she loved art. Her backpack was always bursting with sketchbooks, pencils, and paintbrushes. Today, Sonia was heading to the community center. They were painting a huge mural on the outside wall, a celebration of Minneapolis, full of blooming prairie flowers, soaring eagles, and the shimmering city skyline. Sonia had worked for weeks on her contribution, a giant, friendly monarch butterfly with wings of stained glass. She had poured her heart into it. At the community center, the air buzzed with excitement. Kids of all ages, armed with paintbrushes, swarmed the massive wall like colorful ants. Sonia spotted her best friend, Dave, already there. Dave was fantastic at drawing, especially funny cartoon characters. Today, he was adding a mischievous little squirrel chasing a giant acorn. Dave, with his wild curly hair and paint-splattered jeans, grinned and waved. "Hey, Sonia! Your butterfly is going to be amazing!" Dave called, his voice booming with enthusiasm. Dave was always good at making others feel good. He knew that when someone felt respected, they shined. Sonia grinned back, her cheeks flushing with pride. She carefully unrolled her blueprint, ready to transfer her monarch onto the wall. Just then, a voice cut through the cheerful chatter like a rusty saw. Another butterfly? How boring. And that squirrel looks like it's been squashed by a bus." It was Franklin. Franklin had arrived in Minneapolis a few months ago and seemed to carry a dark cloud wherever he went. He was always finding fault, always muttering mean comments. He would criticize people's clothes. His words felt like little prickles, poking at everyone's happiness. He rarely looked anyone in the eye, preferring to stare at his shoes or glare at the wall. Franklin never seemed to respect anyone, and because of that, no one really wanted to be around him. He often seemed just as unhappy as the words he spoke. Sonia felt a knot tighten in her stomach. Her magnificent monarch suddenly felt small and silly. Dave's cheerful grin faltered. Other kids nearby stopped painting, their shoulders slumping. "Hey, Franklin," Dave said, trying to sound calm, though his ears were turning a little red. "Everyone's working hard. We're all doing our best." Franklin just scoffed. "My best is way better than this. My part of the mural is going to be the only good part." He gestured vaguely at a blank section of the wall where he was supposed to paint. He hadn't even started. He just stood there, arms crossed, looking grumpy. Sonia felt her own respect for herself shrinking. Was her butterfly boring? Was it not good enough? She looked at her beautiful, intricate design, suddenly seeing only its flaws. She pushed a stray braid behind her ear and felt a tear sting her eye. Later that week, the mural project continued. But a quiet sadness had settled over the community center. Franklin's negative comments were like little weeds, growing bigger and bigger, choking out the joy. Please like, share and subscribe. Bye.